Russia has just turned up the heat in Ukraine once again, and this time it is massive. Vladimir Putin has launched one of the biggest drone attacks of the week, with over 500 Russian drones buzzing over Ukrainian skies. Their target? Well, cities like Kharkiv and even Kryvyi Rih. Yes, the hometown of President Volodymyr Zelensky himself. Well, this is not a random strike. This was a well-planned, full-scale drone assault, a show of force and a major warning. These weren't just any drones. Many of them were Shahed 136 drones, the kind that Russia bought from Iran. They come cheap, they fly low and explode on impact. And they have become Putin's favorite weapon to terrorize Ukrainian cities at night. And while Ukrainian forces managed to shoot down many of them, several drones still slipped through air defenses, causing destruction on the ground, damaging power plants, hitting residential buildings, and sparking fire across the multiple districts. You must be wondering, right, what's Ukraine's response here? Well, President Zelensky has reacted really fast. His government is now undergoing a massive reshuffle. New names are coming in, new faces with new ideas. Zelensky knows that this particular war won't be won just on the battlefield. It needs sharp leadership and stronger coordination too. And there's more to this. Zelensky has also announced a huge increase in defense spending. Ukraine is now pouring billions into building more weapons, better air defenses, and advanced surveillance systems. The country knows that to survive this particular war, it has to become military self-reliant and really fast. In the meantime, across the ocean, Donald Trump, the United States president, is making headlines too. He is now pushing for the US to send more Patriot missiles system to Ukraine. Yes, these are the same high-tech anti-air weapons that can intercept Russian missiles and drones, that too mid-air. It is a sign that Ukraine might soon have stronger shields in the sky. But there's a bigger story to this. This isn't just a war between Russia and Ukraine anymore, it's a global chessboard. Iran's drones, America's missiles, NATO support, China watching closely, and Europe trying to hold their unity. Ukraine is now the battleground where global powers are testing each other's strength, strategy, and stamina. And you know what? In the middle of all of this, millions of Ukrainian civilians are still trying to live normal lives, dodging air raids, living without power, and sending their children to school underground in bunkers. This war isn't ending soon, that's clear. In fact, it's getting deadlier, more high-tech, and more political. With every single passing week, one thing is clear. The fight for Ukraine is not just about land anymore. It is the future of the global order.